We're here with one of our clients watching this port and operation containers getting loaded on and off of a ship, and it just struck us as we're looking at their technology and their potential for an ERP system of how much this relates to the data challenges that organizations face.
Yeah, we're trying to think of a metaphor for this ship and how it applies to a modern ERP system, and looking at it with all the containers on here, we think about how our clients struggle with trying to find the data on their network they need for things like audits or financial reports because their data is buried in a container somewhere in the middle of this ship. And in a modern ERP platform, you're able to have almost X-ray-like vision to see onto this ship, which is your entire network, and find the actual containers of data you need to fulfill your audit requirements or financial reporting.
Yeah, we're watching these massive cranes run by one individual trying to identify where to move, getting things into the proper position, and realize the depth of the challenge that an individual faces just trying to navigate what they're experiencing. And we're here on the river too, looking downstream to what maybe looking at as your customers, upstream to suppliers, whether it's in any public sector organization, you're going to have different stakeholders that you're meeting with. But either way, there's data that's going to have to move up and down.
And also the planning that goes into it, just like they plan where every container goes on this ship ahead of time so they can offload it and unload it quicker. You can do the same thing with data in your network and in your ERP system. If you know where it's placed ahead of time, you know the exact spot to go look for it so you can access it quicker.
These are the things we think about at Avero Advisors.
Yes,
we're spending our time
on site with clients,
trying to help our clients, trying to identify where there are opportunities just to make services function better.
And yeah, thank you all.